Hello darlings, for today's look I'll be creating a fiery smoky eye. To get started, I'm priming my face with the Hourglass primer serum and then I'm color correcting using the Kokie Be Bright illuminating concealers in green and lavender.
We said we let it go, but we settled for the last. Couldn't let you want it though.
I'm applying the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation in 0.5, which is super full coverage and has a matte finish. Next, I'm blending out the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair using a mini Real Technique sponge. I find the mini sponges to be a lot easier to use around the eyes. Once I've applied and blended out all of my liquid products, I'm setting my face using the ABH Contour Kit in Fair. I'm also using this to contour. I'm contouring the hollows of my cheeks by first starting at the top of my ear and my hairline and dragging the product at an angle towards the edge of my lips. But I'm making sure not to drag the contour too far or close to my lips, so I'm stopping about at the edge of my eye. I'm also applying the contour along the edges of my face, including my temple, forehead, and jawline.
Walk away. Maybe then we'd lose it all. No.
So here's what it looks like when I have one side of my face contoured and then the other is basically just an egg. Now I'm just defining my cheekbones some more using the setting powder trick, and then I'm contouring my nose. Next, I'm bronzing using the Buxom Hot Escapes bronzer in the shade Maldives, and I just had to show the packaging because it's absolutely stunning. I'd like to point out that contouring and bronzing is essentially the same thing. I just tend to apply both or one in place of the other, and when bronzing, I apply using a fluffier brush.
Yeah, we said we let it go.
Once I've finished applying some highlighter and blush, I'm using my favorite brow product, which is the ABH Brow Wiz in dark brown, to fill in my brows. Now it's time to start on my eyeshadow, and I'll be using the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat eyeshadow palette. First, I'm applying the shade Hot Spell in my crease to act as a transition shade, and then I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and blending out the very edges of where I applied that shadow.
Maybe then we'd lose it all. No.
Next, I'm applying the shade Wild Thing to my crease, but keeping this below where I applied Hot Spell. The third shade I'm applying to my crease is called Heist, and I'm keeping this below where I applied the previous two shades. I'm then taking the two brushes that I used to apply Wild Thing and Hot Spell with no extra product and blending out the areas where I applied those shades. Next, I'm applying the darkest shade in the palette called Strike and applying this to my lid beneath my crease. I'm then taking a clean fluffy brush and blending this with the shades we applied to the crease. For my lower lash line, I'm applying the shades Wild Thing and Heist, and then I'm using the Morphe M508 to apply the shade Strike. I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone using the shade Inhale, and then I'm blending out the brow bone area using a clean fluffy brush. Next, I'm applying some Afromika lashes and blending them with my own using the Kevin Aiken Lash Curler and the Lancôme Hypnose Mascara. I'm then finishing off the look using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Zero for my upper waterline and the Comfort Matte Lipstick in 1993. Well, that's the finished look, and it's probably one of my favorites I've done so far. I really hope this video was helpful and enjoyable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.